Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another sunrise. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin hitting $55,000. Bitcoin hitting $55,000. Congratulations, all of you. Bitcoin pumped, pocket pumped, everything pumped. Woohoo! Congratulations, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. If you've been following me for 4.5 years, you're already a multi-millionaire. If you're new, follow me. If you're skeptical, watch my videos for free on YouTube every day. Watch my portfolio grow, start learning, start investing, start trading, start growing, start becoming financially abundant. Abundance for all. It is very easy. You just have to do it consistently, like learning to walk. Would you say learning to walk was hard? No. It was easy. You just spent 1 year practicing, falling down, crawling on your belly. Same thing with money, same thing with abundance, same thing with trading. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. Bitcoin just exploding out of this bull flag, exactly as I said yesterday. Congratulations, everyone. Hitting the high. The high was $55,000 for Bitcoin. And look at that volume come in. Massive volume spikes that we haven't seen in a very long time. To put this in perspective, on this 15-minute volume candle, there was Bitcoin, normal Bitcoin traded volume is 1,600 Bitcoin per 15 minutes. These volume candles were 16,000 Bitcoin. This one was 13,000 Bitcoin, 13 times the volume that you normally see on Bitcoin. By the way, I just want to say, I predicted this yesterday. I'm going to show you now in the video. This was yesterday. 5,173 of you watched it 21 hours ago. This bull flag, but usually the bull flag will move at 70% of the move, which is here, would be around. So we really need to get this breakout with volume now pumping. So this is the breakout trade we'll take on Bitcoin, opening at 51,300. And Bitcoin, fast forward 21 hours, boom, Bitcoin broke out and smashing to $55,000, which is amazing. It broke out of there. Congratulations, everyone. That trade pumped, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade currently is massively in the profits. My Bitcoin trade right now, $113,148 in the profits. $113,000, 915% on my Bitcoin trade. 915%. And I already took this trade. I already took $9,900, including paying the funding fee. So I took $10,000, so it's $122,000 profit. $122,000 profit with $12,000 of margin to open the trade, which is beautiful. $112,800 in my account. $668,000 this week. This last month, it's up from $500,000 to $668,000. So in the last month, I made $168,000 on this account. I'm mainly in Bitcoin positions. $668,550, $668,552. And if you remember this account, I started it at mid last year at $150,000. Now $668,700. As you're watching, it's interesting now, right? The seconds are massive. It moves like 668,749. By the time I finished saying it, it went up $50, $30, 668,731. See, $40 swing, 668,740. Amazing. Congratulations, everyone. Bitcoin pumping, 4-hourly bull flag breaking out. Target is still my original target, 61K, and I've been saying 61K for a very, very long time. If you've been following my videos, we were saying 61K back at 20K. Back from the bottom, actually, I drew my Elliot wave count, which is beautiful. Bitcoin pumping out of the bull flag. Resistance is at 55,967. That was one of the big resistance areas. We're hitting resistance now, but what's interesting is the ETFs are having all-time high volume coming in. So even the volume when the ETF was launched, the number of Bitcoin bought yesterday was more than when the ETF, the day of the launch, which is incredible. The volume is growing. More people are buying, which is amazing. Congratulations, all of you. For a trade on Bitcoin, pullback to strong support, which was previous very strong resistance, which is now support 52,800. I'll make the trade open here. Stop loss just underneath. Try to catch this Bitcoin underneath the yearly trend line. That's the trade I'd open on Bitcoin. Opening at 52,000, stop loss 51,660, take profit. First target 55,000. Second target, my original target from a long time ago. I drew this Elliot wave count months ago, back in December, I drew this Elliott, or even earlier, I think, August, I drew this Elliott wave count. I drew this Elliott wave count on the 17th of October, 2023. And look where Bitcoin is now. 17th of October, 2023, I drew this Elliott wave count. And look where Bitcoin is from August 2023 to now February 2024. And look where we are with Bitcoin and my Elliott wave count. Amazing. Congratulations, everyone. So opening the trade, 52,000. Stop loss, 51,660. Take profit, 61K. We can make the stop loss tighter, I think. 51,793. Risk reward 41 times, risking $226 to make $9,300 without leverage. 10x leverage, $93,000 profits. And again, congratulations, everyone. This account, $668,500 US dollars. This Bitcoin trade, $112,743 in the profits, 912%. I used $12,000 to make $122,000. It's a 6 Bitcoin trade. 6 Bitcoin times 55,000 now is almost $375,000 value trade. 6 Bitcoin now, which is beautiful. Funding fee is getting higher, 0.029. It isn't hitting the 0.1 that we saw during the ETFs, but it is getting up there, 0.02, but not so bad. 668,000. Congratulations, everyone. My spot positions are up 9,000. Bitcoin, I've got 2 Bitcoin spot, 109,000, up 5% on Bitcoin. Uniswap, 76,000, down 3% after it pumped 100% a few days ago. Doge, 64K, up 4%. Doge pumping. USDT, 61K. FXS, 54K, up 7%. MCRT 47K, up 6.8%. Pocket 39K, up 3.7%. World down 7% after that huge run on World. Congratulations again, everyone. Amazing gains. If you want to trade like you see me do, I'm going to show you my Twitter as well, where all the trades. Under the video, go down below. One is the exchanges that I use for trading. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link and meet their trading requirements. $30,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements. 2 is the course, Crypto Master Course, teaches you technical analysis and how to do all these trades, how to open technical trades, how to open TradingView, trade on TradingView, set the indicators, etc. 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. And over on my Twitter, people are just going amazing. I've got 83,500 followers. My Twitter is growing. People calling me Nostradamus. My Twitter is growing. Thank you, everyone who supported this highlight. I asked everyone if you could back up. I said that I'm getting shadow banned. I'm the world's best trader, and I have been shadow banned, stuck at around 80,000 subs for 2 years. No one has called the tops of stocks and crypto markets or Bitcoin as much as me in the entire world. Everyone, if you can go and support this tweet, tagging. But I think it could have been fixed, because since we tweeted that, my Twitter is now up. I have now, my ex Twitter is now 83,500 followers. So it went up 1,000 followers. So I think the shadow ban might be finished. Hit of the week, Magic Craft.
Universe and a community-focused approach. As the
MCRT game. What happens when all the OTC and exchanges start to run out of their supplies of Bitcoin? This is what happens. This is what happens when we're having a short squeeze, when the halving is less than 2 months away. No pullback on Bitcoin and another bull flag forming. Bitcoin, congratulations, gurus. At the peak, my trade was 920% so far in the profits, 920%. Beautiful. This is the stuff that I tweeted. SMR was up 8%, MCRT 7.5, FXS 6.9. Congratulations on Bitcoin, everyone. Large volume coming to Bitcoin. I said 3 days ago, Bitcoin. Congratulations, Bitcoin pumping. I just went crazy on Bitcoin. Amazing. Congratulations, all of you. This is huge gains. You should be very proud. Bitcoin hitting $55,000, 112,000 profit on my trade. With 10,000 already claimed. Also, my Bitcoin buys on the bottom were amazing. Look at this. I literally bought, after the ETF sell, I bought the bottom of Bitcoin perfectly. Thank you for watching, everyone. Congratulations, all of you, and amazing gains on Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell, comment down below. Are you holding Bitcoin? Did you pump with us? Congratulations, all of you. Love you. Follow me on Twitter. All my links are down below. Follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.